Festival. Here we go. Hello. Ako naman. Pink Festival. Hey, hello. Hello guys, we're here at Copley's Farm. Pumpkin picking. Yay, let's go. Nice, like it. Go. May wheelbarrow na to. Ayaw niya na dyan? Papakarga na? Akin na kargay. Hey, epic man. Nice. Alas 12 to. Alas 12 yung first event. Kaya nga eh. Doon muna tayo sa isang event dun, no? Sa office. Ito sila eh. Hello! What's up? Hello! Nag-enjoy na ba si Pia? Sige, kakain. My friend. Nasa si Elira?
Nanap po nga eh.
Siset ng pumpkin head. Hey. Fish na kami. Ito yung kay Seth. Ito yung sa akin. Let's go! Cute. Nice one. Nice one, Seth. Good job. Galing, oh.
What? I can't make a...
What are you making?
I can't make a original food.
Okay, nice. Because you need to paint first the yellow first, the orange first.
Hindi na niya makapot. Bahala na si God.
Should I just black out the... Should I put another...
No, it's okay. Paint it again.
Kuya, do whatever you want.
Should I put a layer on it?
Yeah, sure.
It's up to you.
Hala siya, tingnan mo. Ito si Jomar Gago.
Go. Ganda ng stroller mo, Brad. Bagong prom ba yan? Ha? Hila? Hila?
Outfit check natin.
Hila? Hila? May mga kids. Ha?
Dito sa Titanic. Iya, come here, babe.
Yung mga bata. Ilero mo sila ng mga kids. Dito. Malaki yung malaki yung lugar. Malaki yung place. Tapos ang dami activity. Yung mga rides, yung mga ganun. Sakay sila. Bye!
Tara lang, kasi baka sabihin, pila tayo.
It's just how not to waste the pumpkin, my love.
You don't want to go on it?
We do do it for the Farming Community Network, which is a charity for farmers who crisis with their mental health. If you like what these guys do, perhaps you like what I... 3, 2, 1, look! See? It doesn't hurt. Actually, feels quite nice. Feels a little bit like a sort of vibrating feeling, but it doesn't hurt the sheep, and it's a little bit the same as when Dad has a shave. Pulls the skin tight down here like this, does it like that, and it's a little bit the same with sheep, and I'm hopefully going to show you how. Now it's at this point in the show, ladies and gentlemen, I have to give you a health and safety briefing. Unfortunately, the health and £1.50. This sheep. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have one naked sheep. All done. And there he is. Right, let's pop him back in here. It's okay, my man. It's not an oven. I lied, 150 for about 4 hours. Come back later. Right, here I have one pile of lamb's wool. Now, lamb's wool is the best wool any sheep will ever produce. There's enough, thank you, my darling. There's enough wool here to make one of the littlies.
Yung galing dun sa ship. Yung nila. Eto sila. Nice. Ito pala yun. Ito yung balahibo nila. Galing Ayan sa ship. Kapal pala talaga para siyang cotton. Ganun yung texture niya. Para siyang cotton. Dad, here. There's our car. Later na, later. Let's put that in the car first.